Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Davinci Resolve 17. Here is a website blackmagicdesign.com. I will give this link directly in the description box, and you need to scroll down and you will find the download now button. Click on download now button, and over here you can see two versions of Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve 17, which is the latest one, and the older version Davinci Resolve 16.2.8. You need to click on the operating system. Since I am using Windows, I am going to click on Windows. And the current version of Davinci Resolve is 17.2.2, and you need to fill up this form and you need to click on register and download. Your file will be downloaded. I have already downloaded the file, so I'm going to open the location. Here is the Davinci Resolve 17.2.2. The size of the file is approximately 2.4 GB. Let's extract it. After extracting the zip file, we need to install it. Right click and click on run as administrator. Click on install. Click on next. Accept the terms and conditions and click on next. And select the location where you want to install the Davinci Resolve, and after that click on next and click on install and click on finish. Now the installation is complete. Now let's open the Davinci Resolve. In the search box, simply type Davinci Resolve. So here you can see that the Davinci Resolve is loading. Once you open the Davinci Resolve, the user interface looks like this, and at the bottom you can see there are three options: new project, new folder, open. Click on new project and give the name for your project. Click on create. After opening the Davinci Resolve, the user interface looks like this, and at the bottom you can see the tabs: media, cut, edit, fusion, color. Under color you can do the color grading for your projects. At the end you can see the deliver tab where you can export your videos. I do most of my edits under edit tab. So that's it guys. In this way you can download and install Davinci Resolve 17 on your PC or laptop. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.